For the past 13 months, I studied Alex Hormozi, everything he does and everything he has done. And just recently, I discovered how he actually uses AI to make more money and scale his businesses while working less. You see, he's teaching this information to everyone in his new project, the Skool games, where he shows people exactly how to build brands on social media. And I'm going to teach you how he does that with AI for free today. For everyone who doesn't know me, which should be the majority of you, I'm Tim. Together with my team, we used to automate medium-sized businesses and there helped over 110 businesses to save more than 44,000 hours every month in total. And now we narrowed down to digital e-com because this we found as the one single business niche that AI can help the most. So now we're an AI all-rounder agency for digital e-com. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 2 clips from his most recent videos, explain what he means by saying that and how you can use it too for your digital e-com brand. The first clip is going to show you how you can convert more people from your social media into actual loyal customers, and that just with AI.
ManyChat.
What was it?
ManyChat.
ManyChat? So you post and then have a ManyChat link and then...
Yeah, just have them comment and then a ManyChat will automatically DM them the link to join.
So comment CTA.
Is this on Instagram? Yeah, I've heard many people using this successfully. Yeah.
We actually have a funnel built out, so instead of sending them straight to Skool, because some people can't really articulate it, they just see Skool, so send to a funnel.
Yeah, it just warms them up. You can send them like a lead magnet.
But what is the actual post?
So basically, it's like you giving free value at the start. Here's how to lose weight in 3 different ways, and then you say the free value. After that, you'd be like, I've actually made a full guide if you want more on this. So because you've already given them value, you say, DM me fat loss. ManyChat will see that and they will send that over to their DM. So when something's sent over to DM, it's more warm because it seems like we sent it. So when you do that, they're like, wow, this guy messaged me. They'll click it and they'll consume the free guide, allowing them to be more warm to get into your program.
So you use the comment trigger.
So as you've seen, in this clip he's sitting down with the most successful students from the Skool games to discuss what they are doing to make their money and be so successful with building their own brand on social media. And what they're talking about here is building a ManyChat, which is a lead generation chatbot that is to be installed on social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook and is there to interact with leads to help them make buying decisions and turn them into loyal customers and lead them through your funnel. So this is what a ManyChat does. And it works by every time someone on one of these social media platforms interacts with you or your content in any way, this person gets hit up by a ManyChat, and this ManyChat is via the chat of the platform, so per Instagram direct message or per Facebook Messenger, is going to talk to your lead like it was an actual human to lead them through a buying decision. You can even implement lead magnets and automated follow-ups, so the bot is going to, as soon as someone interacts with one of your posts, by the way, writes a comment, the bot is going to hit him up, send him a lead magnet, and then, if he hasn't responded, ask him what he thought about this lead magnet or whatever else. We've done this actually for many of our clients and we've seen amazing results, like boosting conversion rates by 8x, so 8 times the conversion rate they had before, or boosting businesses from 5 figures to 6 figures a year just with these chatbots. So there's an enormous power behind these things, and obviously Alex Hormozi knows that and all of his students too, but I'm going to show you now how you can build one for your own, and that's just going to take a few minutes. So we're on the ManyChat login page right now, and what you want to do is go up here to get started, and then you can choose what you want to do it for. Obviously we want to generate some leads, so we're going to take Instagram here. Now it's pretty simple what we have to do from here, just connect your Facebook with it. Alright, so I've just verified my email, just done all the steps they told me to do, and we're now going to start just with a free trial. Select whatever here, it doesn't really matter what you're going to do here. Alright, now as we've connected our Instagram and everything is set, we are here in this tab where we will build our bot in a second. Now what we have here is pretty simple. We have just our home tab where we can see how our bots have been doing. Our contacts is just the lists of contacts and people that actually interacted with us. So every lead is basically a CRM right here. We can as well, with automations and stuff, transport the data that we find in here to our own CRM, whichever we use, but that's too much for today's video. Now here in the chat we can see all the chats that our bot has with different people. Of course this is empty right now because this is a new account right here, but if we would have chats with leads, then these would show up here, and I could even write myself as a human in these chats. And I think we don't have to look at the settings right here. So let's go back to our automation side here. This is the bot we've been in, and now this is just a brief overview. You can add triggers right here, which is obviously now I only have connected Instagram. If you've connected Facebook or anything else, these triggers will show up here as well. So as you see, we've many options we can choose from here that we can use as triggers. We can even use multiple as triggers. So if I collect one, I can add a new trigger and add another. Let's put some keywords in here like hi or something, just to show you how this works. So now we can put in multiple here, however we liked. Just look through these, see which one you want to, and then there's one pro one in here. But collect as many as you like, and then we'll go from there. And as soon as this trigger happens, so as soon as someone comments on a post or reel, we can add a text right here and just write whatever. Hi, thanks for engaging. So when someone interacts with our posts, they will get sent a message which is thanks for engaging. And I can add steps right here. If I just click right here to add quick reply, and I can add other steps here, like we could perform an action and then create an action right here, which whatever it is, like add a tag to the user, then a tag gets added to the user, which can be engaged. And so we can build our bot with messages. We can put AI steps in here. We can load up knowledge bases that the AI can answer from. There's a variety of different things we can do here and we can try here. I will not go into detail on this, just so you know how to set up the account and how to actually do the basic stuff. And then when you want to try your chatbot, you can go up here and look at the preview. And as you see right now, I, in theory, engaged with my post, and now I've got the message from hi, thanks for engaging. Now if you want to set your chatbot to live, you can click up here to set live. Wonderful, and that's everything for the ManyChat. Different ways you can use this to make it more attracting is something like in your reels or in your posts, tell them to comment a specific word, comment a keyword under your reel or post. Let's say your store is selling ebooks, and you can say them comment ebook, and you'll get a free guide on whatever you sell the ebooks for, weight loss or whatever. They comment your keyword and they directly get sent a message, which is more personalized. The lead thinks, oh well, he actually messaged me, gets them more engaged, gets them more to trust with your company. Just look through the triggers, look at everything ManyChat is offering you to do, and actually see how you can do these. In your posts and stuff, saying comment under this video to get a free link to whatever is a great way. You can as well do a live stream and tell them a comment in the live stream chat, a keyword, and then they get sent the stuff. You can do it in stories, in whatever, and you can connect as many platforms as you like. So put Instagram, Facebook, whatever. So that's for the lead generation chatbot for today. Again, you can get more into the trenches and do a lot more with it, make it more advanced, but just so you know how it works and so you have a general understanding, it will be enough for today. So let's hop into the next clip. And here we can learn how to actually boost customer satisfaction and cut churn, meaning the people that leave you every month, drastically.
Third one was people saying not enough support. So of course we could add more support, which I'll get to, something we did in a second. But what we did was we wanted to increase their perception of support. And the way we did that was we made it more available. So we already had support. We had a support team. But the thing is that they were difficult to reach. So what we did was we created chat support, but we made it easily accessible within the software. And so rather than have to go outside in order to reach them, they could hit a bubble and then immediately be online chatting someone. Now remember, from the onboarding call, they also know specifically who they can reach out to as well. So this is two types of support. They have an account rep assigned to them, and they have kind of general support to help them through daily little things that were coming up. And in your business, you'll probably have similar things. You have one person who's really responsible for the account, and then maybe a team of people who kind of field the general questions from day to day. And by doing this, we eliminated this perceived problem people had, even though we already had the solution. We just had to make it easier for them.
So what he's saying here is that support needs to be more available. If your customer has a problem with whatever, and they need to go to your website and find your number and call you, and then for whatever reason they can't reach you and they have to call you again in 20 minutes or the next day, annoying. Nobody likes that, your customers don't like that, and they're gonna leave you eventually. But if you actually have an available chat support that is gonna answer you as quickly as possible to help you with your specific problem, that's what really gets to grow your customers' heart for you. So you have to make this available. And this is what Alex Hormozi says in this video. Make the support available and make it as quick to respond as possible. And we can do that, and this is what he means here, with a chatbot. This time we're not going to use ManyChat but BotPress. It works the following. You have a chatbot, a little chat icon in the corner of your website where your lead can click to answer a question or to get help with a problem, and that an AI is going to, from a knowledge base that you gave him before, which can be your website or any document or your social media pages or whatever you have as source of information, the chatbot is going to answer from this information to your customer queries and to your customer problems and to your customer questions, which is going to not only convert more leads on your website into paying clients, but also make your paying clients stay longer because there's always support available. And this is what he means in this video. So I'm going to show you right now how you can build such a bot for your own. But keep in mind this will be really quick, as the last video I've uploaded is a detailed tutorial on how you can build these exact chatbots for your own. So check this out after this video, but for now, just a simple overview. So this is BotPress. If you have any questions on this or whatever, go to the last video I've uploaded. There is a detailed tutorial on everything you need to know. So this is such a chatbot. It's really, really the simplest one you can think of. It just has a start node saying, "Hi, I'm useful chatbot. How can I help you?" And then we can ask a question which gets answered right here, and we can ask about a product. So now this bot is going to tell us about the product. As well, we can add in right here. If we click on this, we can add a note right here with like, "Tell me about your problem, help me with the problem." And then we can let AI handle the customer's problem, which I recommend if you want to drastically cut your churn. But all of this is explained in the last video I've uploaded. It's going to really help you if you haven't watched. And right here, after we asked our first question, there's this never-ending loop of if the information the user wants to know isn't in the knowledge base, an AI task is going to help him with it automatically, and if the answer is found in the knowledge base, it's just going to respond from the knowledge base. And either way, it's going to ask, "Do you have another question?" and it's just going to link back. So then we're in this never-ending loop of just asking and answering questions. And again, if you want to implement it on your website, go to publish, then go back to dashboard, head over to the web chat, go to share, and copy this code and put it somewhere in the body part of your website HTML code. So this is how such a chatbot would look like. And this is exactly how Alex Hormozi and every one of his clients, every one of his students are using AI chatbot to get more clients and to keep them for longer. And you see, it's really simple. It's just a few button clicks. You just have to know what you're doing a bit. But here's the great part, because I have one last thing to say to you. And it's that if you're a digital e-com brand, I would like to actually build you your own first chatbot for completely free. Nothing charged, don't worry. I just want to build you such a customer service chatbot that we just discussed a few minutes ago, recommended by Alex Hormozi. A chatbot like he described in the video before, with everything you need for your own store for free. So if you're interested in that, go to the first link in the description, just opt in for a call with me, answer a few questions. I will build the chatbot before the call and hand it to you on the call. I don't want any e-com brand out there to live without AI. So if you don't want to listen to me on this, listen to Alex Hormozi, because he recommends the same thing as you've just seen in the video. So see you on the call. I'm really excited for you. And other than that, make yourself a nice day. Goodbye.